Hola. This video, guys, is about los artículos definidos, definite articles. So, we need to define, first of all, nouns, and just remember that your noun is going to be the name of a person, place, or thing, and it is important because your articles are always going to precede your noun, and this is true for English and Spanish. Remember, your definite article in English is the, and it is specific to something. For example, that is the phone I want. Other examples could be the shoes, the dog, or the car. These would be specific things we would want. Your definite articles in Spanish are going to have a gender depending on the noun. So that means that if your noun ends in A, you are going to use la for feminine singular. And if your noun ends in O, your definite article is going to be el. So in Spanish, nouns that end in A, we are going to precede them with the definite article la. For example, la casa, the house, or la enchilada. Okay? Nouns, on the other hand, that end with an O will be preceded with a definite article el. And for example, we have el taco, el muchacho. Now it's your turn. You can practice. Copy these 5 examples and write on the line provided the definite article that has to go in front of the corresponding nouns. Remember, we have a very short period of time because this is a video, so you need to be quick about copying the exercise and doing it. Hopefully you wrote down la for bebida because it ends with an A, el for colegio because it ends with an O, el saludo because again it ends with an O, and then we have la comida because it ends with an A, and la despedida because it also ends with an A. Simple enough, right? Okay, correct yourself if you're wrong and complete it if you didn't get to do it, and write down notes in case you have to ask questions afterwards. Your plural definite articles are going to be los for nouns ending in os, such as los tacos, and you have las For nouns ending in AS, for the feminine plural, for example, las enchiladas. Okay, so now guys, please practice. Copy these 5 examples of different nouns and write the corresponding definite articles for them. Okay, so hopefully these are your answers. For the first one, libro, it should have been el libro. For number 2, it's las muchachas, right? For el libro, it was O. Number 3, it's los refrescos. Number 4, it's la pizza. And number 5, las casas. It ends in a S. Okay? And this brings us to el fin of this video. And one more time, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to see me or to email me. Have a hasta luego or hasta mañana.